Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of checking your API usage data, identifying expired farms, and determining farm area by boundary points using our endpoints. Let's get started. Now, we will see how we can check our API usage data, like how many units we have used and how many units are remaining. We have an endpoint, getMyUsage. We have to use this endpoint, and just the UID is required, nothing else. We'll click on the Send button now. So, we can see we have received the result, like ordered units 1,000, used units 707, and remaining units 293. This is how you can get to know the details about your API usage. Now, if you want to check how many expired farms you have in your UID, you can do that by an endpoint, getExpiredFarms. This also requires just one thing in the body, that is UID, and the endpoint needs to be getExpiredFarms. We will click on the Send button. As you can see, we have got the result and there is only just one field. Do you sell? So it will return the field ID, and this is the expired farm in my account. Now, if you want to know how much area a particular farm is, like suppose you have entered the farm and you want to know the area, we can do that by an endpoint that is known as getFieldArea by boundary points. We can use this endpoint, and in the body, we need to pass the UID and the points, like the lat long as an array. We need to pass that right now. We'll pass those points here. You have to pass these points of your field. Suppose you are taking a field from a farmer, so you need to pass those points here, and it will give you the area of this particular field in square meters. Then you can convert it to any units like acres later on. I will click on the Send button. So you can see the result. It shows the field area is 108679 square meters. This is how you can do this field area by boundary points. Thank you for following along. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to check your API usage, identify expired farms, and calculate farm areas by boundary points. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.